All right, class, we're on page 77. I'm not going to write them all down, but I do like that the book is giving you a list of descriptive adjectives. Some of them are another, bad, big, different, early. Try this list maybe on your own. Practice using a descriptive adjective to describe something, because the more you use these adjectives, the more that you're going to understand how to use them and when to use them. And it'll also make your sentences a lot more interesting, and the teachers will love it. The things that I do want to focus on are just at the bottom of that page. It is true that a lot of descriptive adjectives do end in Y, F-U-L, and O-U-S. So most of them you're going to have, a lot of them you'll know, they'll say things like hungry, heavy, has a whole list there. Things like beautiful. Let me see. Oh yeah, I'm spelling it right. Okay, and then things with dangerous. Okay, so just kind of a little bit of additional information. This is usually what it will end for an adjective, right? An adjective. And just to let you know, a lot of adverbs will end in ly. Not all the time, but quite a few of them. Like it will say something like slowly, quickly. So you'll see them with lys for adverbs, and then adjectives will have y, the ending ful or ous. But then they give you a whole list. The last part that I think is very important about adjectives is just, this is the most common mistakes, is usually word order. Just any language, in writing in English, it's always word order. So I do see a lot of this where, I feel like my marker's out of ink. I need to get a new marker. Okay, so the word order, I do see this a lot where the order is not in the right order. They will put car, new. I have car, new. Remember that the only way that this can go after the car is if it had a verb in the middle. So you would have to put, I have a new car, because it's one. I have, let me see. I'm just trying to, because usually you put a be verb. You can put the car is new. So the only time that this can be in this order is usually there's a verb in the middle. Other than that, this order would be wrong. It would always have to be the adjective telling you what kind of noun. And then the last one. Okay, so I'll have to find my list with adjectives, because there's actually an order to place these adjectives in.